So here we are back with part 2. Basically, if you missed the first video, we're trying to work out whether you need to go and buy one of these sound bars to make your TV any better, or whether you could just use your normal dock and obviously wire it from the back of your telly straight in. That's all it is basically. It's a phono in. Some docks have the digital out and whatnot, digital's in. So we played some classical music, and the Philips Fidelio dock won again, beating the Bose Soundock, beating the Solo. But I suppose, thinking more about it, you're probably going to watch the telly for it more than music, so you want to kind of mix match what sounds good. So we're going to do a trailer, Man of Steel, first of all, on the Bose Soundock. I've not heard in this, so it's as fresh to me as it is to you. So we'll see which one sounds best.
It's too big, Mom. Then make it small. Focus on my voice. Pretend it's an island out in the ocean. Can you see it? I see it.
My son was in the bus. He saw what Clark did.
You have to keep this side of yourself a secret.
What was I supposed to do? Just let him die?
That sounds pretty good so far. We'll just skip it along. I don't know if there's any more action. A bit more action noises now. Well, that was through the Soundock, the Bose Soundock. I tell you what, that sounded pretty good. Got the idea. It was a very loud, in-your-face sound. Good sound. It's a nice sound. So we'll try it on the Philips now. So exactly the same video. Press play. If it works. Play. There we go. That Bose sounded really good though.
It's too big, Mom. Then make it small. Focus on my voice. Pretend it's an island out in the ocean. Can you see it? I see it.
My son was in the bus. He saw what Clark did.
You have to keep this side of yourself a secret.
What was I supposed to do? Just let him die?
Maybe. I have so many questions. Where do I come from?
Well, there we go. I think that sounded just as good, but better actually. Surprisingly, because the Bose sounded really good. The Bose is very loud, just in your face kind of sound. This is more of a rounded sound. So let's go for the sound solo, and we'll see how it sounds on this one. Not the most terribly exciting video, but actually I've learned something here. I've learned that I probably messed up by buying this. £370 I think they cost. Let's have a go. So it's playing now. Be good if I played the right one, wouldn't it? There we go. I'm about to actually see it for a change.
world's too big, Mom.
You notice the voices sound better instantly.
Focus on my voice. Pretend it's an island out in the ocean. Can you see it?
I see it.
My son was in the bus. He saw what Clark did.
You have to keep this side of yourself a secret.
What was I supposed to do? Just let him die?
Maybe. I have so many questions. Where do I come from? You just have to decide what kind of man you want to grow up to be, Clark. Whoever that man is, he's going to change the world.
Well, lost for words. I don't know how it sounded at your guys' ends. I just want to listen to that last bit again on the Fidelio because we kind of missed that bit off. It's neck and neck, really, these two. It's a bit upsetting to think I've spent all that money and this could have just done an audio on this. So we'll play the last bit again where it kicks in.
You just have to decide what kind of man you want to grow up to be.
If the world found out who I really was, they'd reject me. He was convinced that the world wasn't ready. What do you think?
That was that last bit. I'm going to play that last bit again on the Bose solo. I like the solo. It's a good sound. I'm going to have to say the Philips Fidelio is probably sounding better though. Oh, I don't know.
My father believed that if the world found out who I really was, they'd reject me. He was convinced that the world wasn't ready. What do you think?
So we'll end it there and we'll conclude with part 3. Thank you for watching so far.